9 minus 6 gives us 3. And inside parentheses, 9 minus 9 gives us 0. And finally, 3 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules of mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations is known by the acronym PEMDAS, with each letter of PEMDAS representing a step. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so whenever both appear in an expression, move from left to right and perform whichever you reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to PEMDAS. Before solving the problem, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. According to PEMDAS, first we must calculate the parentheses, so 9 minus 9 becomes 0. And the expression becomes 9 minus 6 times 0. When a number is placed next to parentheses, it means that number is multiplied by the expression inside the parentheses. In this expression, we now have multiplication and subtraction, and since multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, we perform the multiplication first. 6 times 0 gives us 0. And finally, 9 minus 0 gives us 9, so our final answer is 9. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.